you. So let's resume our discussion of this exercise 7.3. In this we have discussed till question number 6. Now let's see a different type of question, that is question number 7. A contractor employed 20 men to build a tank and completed it in 10 days. After working together for 3 days, 5 men go home and do not return. So we can easily say that this question is of inverse variation. So let's calculate first. So 20 men can do work in 10 days. Okay. So one man can do work in how many days? 20 into 10, that is 200 days. Okay, now what is given? After working together for 3 days. So 20 men do work in 3 days. So let's calculate how much work they have done. 20 into 3, 60. Okay, so we will take this work as total man days, 200 man days. So they have done a work of 60 man days. Now what is 5 men go home and do not return. So first we will calculate work left. So how much work was there? 200. 60 was done. So only 140 man days work was left. And do not, how many days more will the remaining men take to complete the work? So number of men left. How many men are left now? 20 minus 5, that is 15 men are left. So number of days will be how much remaining work divided by number of men. So when we calculate, they will take 28 upon 3, or we can write this much time those men will take. Okay, so 20 men can do the work in 10 days. So one man can do the work in how many? 200 man days. So this is the total amount of work, 200 man days. Now 20 men has worked for the 3 days. So how much work they have done? 20 into 3, 60 man days. So to what is the work left? 200 minus 60, that is 140 man days. Now how many men were left? 5 have left. So 15 men were there. So how many number of days will be now? Total work divided by number of men. So this will be our answer. Okay, let's see question number 9. Now in this, two persons A and B can do a piece of work in 10 days. B and C together can do it in 15 days, and C and A together can do in 12 days. How long will they take to finish the work working all together? So what I have assumed, let time taken by A is A days, B is B days, and C is C days. So first thing, what is given? Time taken by. When A and B are working together, it is 10 days. Okay. Then what else is given? time taken by B and C, when B and C are working together, they are taking 15 days. And when C and A are working together, they are taking 12 days. Okay. So this much is given. Now we have to find how much time they will take individually or when they are working together. So what we will do, first we will write like this: 1 day work of A is how much? 1 upon A, since A is taking 8 days. Then 1 day work of B will be 1 upon B, and 1 day work of C will be 1 upon C. Okay, this will be our first equation. Then we will use it, time taken by A and B. So 1 day work of A plus B, when A and B are working together, it will be how much? 1 upon A plus 1 upon B, and how much time they are taking? 10 days, so it will be equal to 1 upon 10. Similarly, 1 day work of B and C, we will calculate B plus C. It will be 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, and they are taking 15 days, so it will be 1 upon 15. Okay. Similarly, C plus A we will calculate. 1 upon C plus 1 upon A is equals to 1 upon 12. So this is our first equation. Let it be our second equation, and let it be our third equation. Okay. So we have used this information. This we have assumed. This is given. Okay. Then we have calculated 1 day work. Then 1 day work of A and B will be 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. Similarly for B and C and A. Now what we will do, we will add 1, 2 and 3. Now what is the reason to add C? 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C plus 1 upon C plus 1 upon A. It will be 1 upon 10, 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 12. Okay. Now you just see it, 1 upon A plus 1 upon A. It will be 2 upon A. 1 upon B plus 1 upon B is 2 upon B, and this is 2 upon C, and here we will take the LCM. So when we take the LCM will be 16. So it becomes 6 plus 15 into 4 is 60 plus 12 into 5 is 60. So what it becomes, we will take 2 as common. 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C is equals to how much? 15 upon 60, or it is 1 upon 4. Now this 2 will come here in the cross multiplication. So it will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 4, that is 1 upon 8. Okay. This is our fourth equation. So now if we see very carefully, 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, what actually it is written? It is written 1 day work of A, B and C when they are working together. So from here we will get our very first part, that is time taken by A, B, C will be 1 divided by 1 upon 8, that is 8 days. Okay. So when A, B and C are working together, they will take 8 days. Now moving to our second part. So now what I am going to do, I will take one by one these sets of equations. So what I will do, I will put the value of 1 upon A plus 1 upon B in the equation number 4. So this is how I will write. Put value of 1 upon A plus 1 upon B equal to 1 upon 10 in fourth equation. So here I will substitute the value. It will give us 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon c equal to 1 upon 8. Now this 1 upon 10 will come here. So 1 upon c will be 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10. Then we will take the LCM. 40 will be the LCM. 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 40. So time taken by c is how much? 1 divided by 1 upon 40, that is 40 days. So this is the time taken by c. Okay. Similarly, now we will take this second equation and fourth equation. So from equation second and fourth, I will substitute the value 1 upon b plus 1 upon c here. So it will give us 1 upon a plus 1 upon 15 is equals to 1 upon 8. So what is 1 upon a? 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 15. So it becomes 120. So it is 15 minus 8, that is 7 upon 120. So time taken, this is 1 upon a by a is 1 divided by 7 upon 120, that is 120 upon 7 days. So this is the time taken by a. Now for the last part, that is time taken by b, what we will do? What we are going to do now? Now I will take third and fourth equation. So from third and fourth, we will substitute the value of 1 upon a plus 1 upon c. So it will be 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon b is equals to 1 upon 8. Then 1 upon b will be 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 12. Then we will take the LCM. So 24 will be the LCM. 3 minus 2. So 1 upon b will be 1 upon 24. Then time taken by b is equals to how much? 1 divided by 1 upon 24, that is 24 days. So this is the time taken by b. So time taken by ABC when they are working together is 8 days. Then time taken by C is 40 days. Time taken by A is 120 upon 7 days, and time taken by B is 24 days.